I expect to see the market going up from here around 2,000 points. That is my plan. Exactly, I never know the future, but now I still focus on the same strategy for now. And for me, the market come back again to so near my entry point, and don't worry about that. But I still wait until the market going up again and hit around at here around 2061. That means the market build new structure before our order already. That means I will start to set break even. Oh, we on profit together, right? Now we hit target นะครับ together around 1,000 point already นะครับ wow, again and again and again we do it together everyone นะครับ don't forget take some profit to your account okay please นะครับ take care your profit everyone นะครับ ดูแลกำไรเจ้าของดีๆเด้อครับพี่น้อง